about 21 lakes are not existing. There is there is no bund and all that, and there is no water body. So first we have wanted to develop this 160 lakes in the Bangalore city. So out of this 181 lakes, last 1.5 years, we are developing 23 lakes. 23 lakes, for example, this Puttanelli also is belong to this under 23 lakes. So this is about 13 acres of tank area is there. In this area, we are already developing from the BBMP side. So this is actually, when compared to other tanks, this is a very small tank. So in the north side, we are having some big tanks are there. So there we are developing more. This another so many activities we are doing in that area. But in this area, we are doing some little bit. We are increasing the water capacity of the tanks. I would like to narrate that only. So in by about 13 acres of the land, so we have to see the beneficiaries also. So we provide this walking paths all around the lakes. First we will identify the lakes, then we fence it from the BBMC side. So then we provide some of this path area, walking path area, and we provide this water body. In that actually water body, what we have seen from Bangalore city, so all the slum water is entering into the lakes. So first we wanted to bifurcate that slum water in that lake itself. So we are going to bifurcate two lakes in the single lake. For example, this also we are actually bifurcating. The work is going on. Now we can't see. Another after 3 to 4 months you can see the bifurcation of the slum water as well as clear water. So first we will divert all slum water into the one area, on the entrance area. So there it will clean automatically. Actually our forest department also is there. The forest department are suggesting us to plant some areas. For example, Jendu and all that there are 4 types of plants are there. What we are going to plant in that slum area, in sewage water area, those plants. So that will convert that sewage water into some extent, and that water will be get inside this main area. So whenever the rains are there, this rainwater directly enters the this water body. So that is nothing to much worry. So by like this, we are avoiding sewage water. We are bifurcating the sewage water and the regular clear water. So this is our actually fundamental aim in the BBMP. So in other lakes, for example, in Kerpuram already we have developed 2 lakes. So by this way, so we can have some good water, and that water automatically everything. The water always going to the earth. So this is today is actually I am very happy to come here on this Earth Day. So actually Earth we call in Kannada Bhutai, Bhumi Devi, everything, you know. So Bhutai goskara now yen madaku siddha andake. So one example, BBMP, we are actually right now we are doing a very good work, as we can see year afterwards. Yesterday our mayor also, honorable mayor also opened this. First of all, we are going to develop all the lakes. So he is also having a very good mind, and luckily, so he is almost nearer to you. He is contestant from Saraki, nearby village, this corporate area. So then you will have very good sympathy also. So this way, I can promise you, we will do all the some good work in these areas. So for example, I will narrate what we are going to do in this Puttanelli lake. For example, this first phase, and we have already done linking, chain link fencing, everything. So it is some portion it is left. So after 6 months, it will almost be completed. In phase 2, this silt removal and cleaning of this garbages, everything we have done. In phase 3, we are going to do some additional works like waste repair. We are going to do it, and toilets also we will provide for the walkers, and construction of catch water drain also we are going to do. Gazebo shutter, for example, when there is rains, so some persons will be walking, no, they can utilize the gazebo area. So this gate also will provide, because some other the trespassers will be entering in the lakes, no. To avoid that lakes, this end gate also will be providing for the security purpose, and security persons also shed everything will be constructed, and this signages, for example, the board such things. So these benches when there is no rains, you can sit on the lake view. So we will provide benches also, some dustbins, and tree plantation, afforestation, all around the lakes, and this parking facility, and this sprinklers or drip irrigation for the tree plantations. So borewell for this tree, and the solar lights, electrical lights also is there. We are already having this work has been already approved by the BBMP. We are going to take up now. Right now, because of the elections, we stopped the tendering. So we will now call the tendering for 75 lakhs. Is already approved. So this is our program for this, particularly this Kuttanelli Lake. Thank you for giving me the chance for explaining all these activities from the BBMP side. Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Sakarka. I'll invite Usha to announce the prizes.
As you are aware, we had a poster competition, drawing competition for children. I announced some prize winners. I hope they are there. Pranav from B7, if you are around, please come up. Pranav, Vijay from B8. Vijay, who's coming up? Pranav is coming up. Vijay, may I request Captain Prabala to hand over the prize to him?